So I've got the DeepSpar unit working. It's got a U-green adapter, which they recommend. Good quality leads, U-green again. I've got R-Studio working. I'm just doing a clone of the disk while imaging the SD card I'm working on. Everything's fine. I probably could have got away with just scanning it, but it's nice to have a good practice. So far so good. 11 gigabytes rescued. No bad areas, scraped or trimmed. Reading nice. Probably over use of these tools, underuse of these tools. But it's good to get them all out and have practice.